When you invest in your home, you want to be sure you're getting the highest level of service, quality, and value. Whether you're planning a renovation, repair, or upgrade, understanding what to expect from high-quality residential services can help you make confident decisions. For homeowners in Rochester Hills, working with experienced professionals ensures your project is completed efficiently, safely, and to a high standard. One of the first things you should expect from a reputable residential service provider is a clear and professional consultation process. This initial step allows you to discuss your goals, preferences, and budget. A quality team will take the time to listen carefully, assess your home, and provide honest recommendations. They'll explain your options in a way that's easy to understand, helping you choose solutions that best fit your needs. Transparency is another key indicator of high-quality service. From the start, you should receive clear information about timelines, costs, and the scope of work. Detailed estimates and well-defined plans help eliminate confusion and ensure everyone is on the same page. In Rochester Hills, where homeowners value reliability, this level of communication builds trust and sets the foundation for a successful project. Skilled craftsmanship is at the heart of any high-quality residential service. Whether it's roofing, window installation, remodeling, or general repairs, experienced professionals focus on precision and attention to detail. This means using proper techniques, high-quality materials, and proven methods to ensure lasting results. When work is done correctly the first time, it reduces the need for future repairs and helps protect your investment. Another important aspect is the use of durable, high-quality materials. A reputable service provider will recommend products that are designed to withstand everyday use and local weather conditions. In Rochester Hills, where homes experience seasonal changes, choosing materials that perform well in different climates is essential. Quality materials not only improve performance but also enhance the overall appearance of your home. You should also expect a strong focus on efficiency and organization. A professional team will work according to a structured plan, ensuring that each phase of the project is completed on schedule. They'll arrive prepared, maintain a clean work area, and minimize disruptions to your daily routine. This level of professionalism makes the entire process smoother and more convenient for you and your family. Communication throughout the project is another key factor. High-quality residential service providers keep you informed every step of the way. If any changes or unexpected issues arise, they'll explain the situation clearly and provide solutions. This ongoing communication ensures that you remain confident and involved in the process. Safety is also a top priority. Experienced professionals follow proper safety guidelines to protect both your home and everyone involved in the project. This includes using the right equipment, following industry standards, and ensuring all work is completed safely and securely. For homeowners, this provides peace of mind knowing that the project is being handled responsibly. Attention to detail extends beyond the main work itself. Finishing touches, such as proper sealing, alignment, and cleanup, are all part of high-quality service. A professional team will ensure that every aspect of the job is completed to a high standard, leaving your home looking polished and well-maintained. Another benefit of working with a trusted residential service provider is long-term value. High-quality work improves your home's performance, energy efficiency, and overall durability. Whether you're upgrading windows, replacing a roof, or remodeling a space, these improvements can increase your home's value and make it more appealing in the future. Customer satisfaction is at the core of high-quality service. Reliable professionals stand behind their work and are committed to delivering results that meet or exceed your expectations. They take pride in their reputation and strive to build lasting relationships with homeowners in the Rochester Hills community. In the end, high-quality residential services are about more than just completing a project. They're about delivering a positive experience from start to finish. For homeowners in Rochester Hills, choosing the right professionals means gaining peace of mind, enjoying better results, and creating a home that looks great, functions well, and stands the test of time.